Welcome back to my channel, guys. So we have a down tree here, so I'll tell you about this down tree. We have a few down trees, but anyway, I live out here in southern Alberta, and we had a violent windstorm the other day. I don't know if you guys heard about it on the news or anything, but you punch up Brooks, Alberta, and the violent windstorm, and you'll see the devastation. But we only got a couple of trees knocked down out here, like 5 or 10 minutes of a windstorm that came through. But Brooks, Alberta got hit the hardest out there. So yeah, most of these trees are rotten anyway, I see. But anyways, so you know those steel power lines, like on the forest cut or something through the forest, but anyway, we don't have a forest out here, but we have steel power lines. So it buckled all of those power lines, it bent them over, cracked them off. Most of them were on the ground. We had winds up to 120, 115 miles per kilometers an hour, and we had hail sizes golf balls, and it was smashing out windows of vehicles, and smashing out windows of houses, and all the sidings of the houses in around Brooks, Alberta were all damaged as well. Big like somebody had been shooting it with a ping ball machine, and there was big holes in the sidings, everything. So you look up that video on YouTube or something, you might see it. And actually it's probably on there, because I looked on there last night and I've seen a video of it. So guys, just look up that video and you'll see the devastation. But Brooks, Alberta, that's where it's where it happened. We got a lot of wind out here, and then it went right through down to Cypress County and into Saskatchewan. It was amazing, man. I don't know how the heck the wind, because it's all open steel right in between. It's not like it's one big steel and it'll buckle over, but it just fucking buckled right in. So all of them we still got houses out there and around there that has no power, and all the highways were shut down, like the major route, number 1 highway, and then some other ones were shut down. But I'm gonna try this. I don't have a chainsaw here, so I'm gonna try to saw some of this up with a hacksaw. And yeah, I wish I had a chainsaw. It'd make it a little bit more easier. I might have to invest in one. Let's see if I can get some of this cut up here, guys. I've just been up to the mountains. I just got back last night with the family. Took them up there for a night and spent a nice relaxing couple of days up in Revelstoke with the family. Stayed in the hotel and toured around the mountains. Yeah, sorry I didn't film that, because it's just kind of a family thing, and it's kind of my personal life. But yeah, yeah, we toured around the mountains, everything. But yeah, I just got back last night, and this happened before I went away, so it happened on Wednesday or Tuesday, whatever it was. No, it happened on Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday. So I think it happened on the 20th. Yeah. But I never got around to it because I was out in BC with the family. So, but yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try to chop up some of this tree here, see if I can get it cut up. Good and dry firewood, actually. It's great for burning on campfires and stuff, or put in your wood stove. going to take a while. I saw that wood. I'm on camera. Just let you know. You want to come back to the backside? Oh, nice.
That's super small.
Oh, yeah.
Those two sheets are almost dry.
Yeah. That's what my wife was just showing me, guys, that our brand new chickens are laying eggs finally. So yeah, you see them over there now. They're out. They're playing. Like some of these here trees I could break by myself. Just about lost you guys. Sorry guys, I keep falling over. We didn't bust any screen here. I love doing this kind of stuff, guys, don't get me wrong. I love it. I grew up on it. I grew up with a wood stove in my family home. I stack wood for people. I stack wood for my parents, for my mom. And yeah, I love doing this stuff. I'm always a woods guy. So don't get me wrong, I do love this kind of stuff, and I do love working hard and with a real saw kind of sometimes. But sometimes if I had a chainsaw, yeah, I would use it, but use what I got for now, and this is what I do. cut wood or stack wood for some old people back in Prince Edward Island when I was younger, and I used to go there after school and stack their whole full basement full of wood. They drop it off. Yeah, so somebody would deliver the wood, and so say this was their basement. So I say this was their basement, they would stack it all, dump it off right here, and that window would open, or that one, and then they would just I go inside, and then I'd throw it all down on the floor in there, and then I would go inside, and then I would start stacking it up inside down in the basement, because most people have their wood furnaces down in the basement for wood burning stoves and stuff, so they would heat their house that way, right? So they'd have propane too, or oil, but yeah. Oh. I'm getting it cut up piece by piece, little by little. You know, this is good stuff to burn, and it burns quick too. So yeah, I'm glad that tree there didn't go down. It would come down on the house or that way. I don't know. Anyways, guys, you guys take care, and thank you for all the new subscribers. I'm going to continue chopping up this wood here, and maybe I'll do a part 2 here. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching.